back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This video is going to include 3 different job leads. They are all in the healthcare field. They are all non-phone. Some of them are even paying up to $27 an hour. We are going to dive all in. Of course, the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And real quickly, before we dive in, I just wanted to put out a friendly reminder that sharing is always caring. So if you find this job lead video or any job leads that I share helpful, please share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. But first up, we have a job from Trinity Health. Now, they are hiring a billing and follow-up representative for their hospital billing. This is remote. All of these are going to be remote for the United States only. But they are looking for somebody to basically perform the day-to-day billing and follow-up activities within their revenue cycle operations. This is going to be dealing with insurance companies. Pay range for this position is anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $27 an hour. They're looking for someone who can know, understand, and incorporate the Trinity Health mission and values, to somebody to perform daily activities, part of a billing and follow-up team. You'll document the claims billed, paid, and settled, and you'll follow up in the appropriate computer systems. You'll identify and escalate any issues affecting the accurate billing of the claim and follow-up activities. You'll also communicate with the appropriate hospital departments to clarify any billing discrepancies, obtain the demographic, clinical, or financial and insurance information needed to bill the claim, and you'll get that claim billed. You'll then perform any follow-up activities, which means investigating any insurance overpayments, underpayments, credit balances, or payment delays from the insurance company. Tasks will be routed to correct workflows with the objective of maximizing the reimbursement of the services that are billed. So you'll research claim rejections. So this is a basic billing job. The insurance doesn't pay for whatever reason or pays too much. You have to figure out how to correct that issue. Now, as far as the education that is required, they're looking for a high school diploma or an associate's degree in accounting or business administration. They want somebody who has up to 3 years experience and relevant knowledge of revenue cycle functions, some kind of billing functions. Above that, you need to know how to use Microsoft Office, specifically Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Someone who has great communication skills, great interpersonal skills, great attention to detail, and great time management skills. Now, I do have Trinity Health's Glassdoor page if you want to read their reviews, linked down in the description box as well, but they have over 2,000 reviews with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. Moving right along, the company Conifer Health Solutions is hiring a credit resolution representative. Now, again, this is remote for the United States only. They are looking for somebody to, again, work hospital billing revenue cycle management team. You'll perform a refund and credit analysis, audit, and reimbursement functions for all their managed care, commercial, Medicaid, Medicare, and a self-pay patient accounts. So you'll be determining if the credit balance is over a contractual, late charge applied, overpayment, or whatever, and take the corrective actions to resolve those. So credit balances is when you have a charge amount, say like $200, and maybe the insurance has a contractual amount of $50 and they pay $100, and so there's $50 balance left that gets billed to the patient, but then the patient paid $100. So now the credit, there's been $250 worth of payments and contractual adjustments applied to an account that only had a $200 charge to start with. So now you have a credit or negative balance on that account. Your job will be to figure out what went wrong, who paid too much, or if there's an adjustment that was applied that shouldn't have been applied, and either reverse the adjustment or refund the money either to the insurance company or to the patient. So your job as a credit balance expert is just to figure out why the balance is not zeroed out and take appropriate action to fix that. You'll also communicate issues to management, including payer or system issues, and you'll handle any correspondence received from the insurance payers and patients requesting refunds. So sometimes it is that the insurance company will actually mail a letter requesting you to send their money back, and you'll get those letters and process them and do those refunds. Now, as far as education required, they prefer a high school diploma or GED. They're looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years experience in hospital performing billing or follow-up functions is preferred. They do want somebody who understands like hospital and medical terminology like ICD-10 codes, CPT codes, those kind of things. Somebody who has great writing skills, someone who can understand managed care contracts, and government payers such as Medicaid and Medicare. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have the company in Vitae. They are hiring a medical record specialist. This is remote for the United States. They are, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, looking for somebody who can work Monday through Friday, traditional Pacific Standard Time hours. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to see if those hours will work for you. But they are basically looking for somebody to maintain all their processes and policies, responding clearly to a high volume of medical records requests. You'll mail, file, download, and scan any correspondence medical records. You'll identify issues and suggest potential improvements. You'll collaborate with your team to develop best practices and providing the best service. You'll participate in other projects as assigned. Now, they're specifically looking for someone to be responsible for requesting, obtaining, and submitting medical records to insurance providers. Nowadays in the healthcare world, most insurance providers take medical records uploaded online through a secure provider portal. So you'll have to go in the system, collect all the patient's medical records, download them into a PDF format, and then you'll have to go to the insurance payer's website and upload that PDF to submit those medical records for processing. They are looking for somebody who's the ability to fulfill a high volume of medical record requests. So someone who can work in a fast-paced environment, someone who has strong understanding of insurance billing, great attention to detail, someone who can be a self-starter and enjoys problem solving. They're looking for somebody who has 1 year work experience, but as far as education goes, probably just a high school diploma. They do not specify, so it doesn't look like they require any kind of college degree. Pay for this position is anywhere from $21.25 an hour all the way up to $26.54 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And in the healthcare field, if you're looking for anything specific like billing or coding or medical records, or if you're an RN or a nurse and you're looking for some kind of a work from home job that has to do with that, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.